What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So, rumors attributed Huawei's desire to announce its new flagships of the Mate 40 line before the iPhone 12, allegedly due to a struggle for its market share and consumer. But as it turned out, Huawei is not going to be the first by all means. The company will present its new flagships with dignity. Having waited almost 10 days after the Apple premiere, Huawei has announced the official release date of the future flagship smartphones, Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro. Also, Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus and Mate 40 RS Porsche design are also expected to premiere on this day. The official announcement date for the Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro is October 22nd. Traditionally, the European premiere will take place first, then the local Chinese one. But the Chinese have something to wait for. Huawei flagships in the home market are usually much cheaper than their global versions. Little is known about the specs of the Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro. The only thing that can be said for sure, they will receive a 5nm single chip Kirin 9000 platform with an integrated 5G modem connectivity. Alas, this SoC may be the last of this kind. Due to US sanctions, Huawei is, in fact, cut off from the production of its own single-chip systems. Smartphones in the lineup, in addition to the Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro, the Mate 40 Pro Plus and Mate 40 RS Porsche design models are expected, are also credited with waterfall screens, displays curved on the sides, and support for 66-watt fast charging. And you can definitely be sure that there are flagship cameras with optical zoom. Actually, the teaser just hints at a special camera. Also, Huawei Central has obtained a photo on the Chinese social network Vivo, which allegedly shows the new flagship smartphones, iPhone 12 and Huawei Mate 40 Pro on the stage. Judging by the photo, Huawei Mate 40 Pro will receive a screen with very narrow bezels and a rather large rectangular cutout for the dual front camera in the upper left corner of the display. As for the iPhone 12, its screen has an even larger cutout. Today, we already reported that the famous bangs will remain in the iPhone 13, which will be released next year. Considering there are only a few days left before the presentation of both flagship lines, it's rather strange that their real photos have not yet flooded on the network. It should be added, however, that the smartphone that claims to be the Huawei Mate 40 Pro is very similar to the Huawei P40 Pro, and the so-called iPhone 12 looks almost like the iPhone 11. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.